What is going on, everybody? Faisal here with Ames Ford Performance. We got another one coming at you. Killer wrap on an 815 horsepower Mustang. HRE wheels, 20s in the front, 21s in the back. Super tough, wrapped in Pirelli P Zeros. I mean, there's some goodies on the inside too. Luda?
Yeah. Can't forget to mention the. Did you talk about the airlift in the HREs?
I didn't talk about the airlift at all.
Oh, I think this has one of the most advanced systems you could get for a Mustang right now.
It is pretty sick.
Yeah.
I think we can go up to about 5 inches all the way down to the ground.
To the ground.
To the ground.
And we do have, what, one of the fanciest multi-piece wheels you can get right now?
It is. HRE 517K, like I said, 20 up front, 21 in the back, Pirelli P Zeros. All
Man, I could really eat my dinner off of that. You know that? Like,
dude,
they are just...
They're tough. They're tough.
I wouldn't actually eat my dinner off of it.
Dude,
but they are gorgeous.
The matte black on gloss black is pretty crazy. People think it's, I've had the comment, it's like, oh, why would you do that on such an expensive or like a high dollar wheel? And I like the understatement of it.
Of course.
But
moving on to the interior goodies. We have Ford Performance's Recaros on here. These are out of the catalog, but no airbag light is triggered, which is the point of these for factory OEM finish.
It is a factory seat. That is an option, embroidered with all the Ford Performance goodies and Recaro as well.
Paint match, it like matches the entire color scheme of the exterior perfectly.
I'd love to take credit for that one.
We're going to take credit for that.
We're going to go ahead.
Yeah. We have an NGW short throw shifter. It feels phenomenal. This isn't like the full-on roll bar where it goes all the way to the front, but it is still SCCA certified. Yes,
and bolts all the way to the frame. Rear seat delete's kind of a part of it as well. You do have to give up those insurance seats, but we won't tell anybody. Yeah,
we don't need to tell the insurance company about it.
Obvious, super tough racing livery. I mean, throwback. There's a bunch of them. We got a big old poster with a bunch of old racing liveries. Kind of just shuffled it. Went with one that kind of went with the white car and ran from there. But 2025 Mustang, I mean, fun project. I'm excited for whatever we're going to do with the next year's car.